If you're looking for a way to add a water feature into your garden without the hassle and stress of having to design and shape one from scratch, why not consider investing in a preformed pond? Welcome to GardenSite HQ in Sutton Coldfield, Birmingham, where we stock hundreds of plastic and fiberglass preformed ponds from a variety of trusted brands including Oars, Bermuda, Blagdon, Lotus and Pond Products UK. Our in-house team have been selling ponds in-store and online since 1999 and are very confident and knowledgeable about these fantastic products. So let's dive into the video and tell you why we love them so much. Firstly, it's their instant and predictable design. Preformed ponds are ready-made pond shapes, including circular, rectangular, natural-looking designs and more. So what you see is what you get. The pre-shaped design means you know exactly how your pond will look, depths, curves and all, which is great if you want a neat and tidy finish without the guesswork. Secondly, preformed ponds are low maintenance and highly durable. Made from either tough plastic or fiberglass, these ponds are built to last. They're less likely to tear or leak compared to flexible liners, which means they will need less upkeep in the long run. Another reason why these ponds are so popular is because they're very light, especially the plastic varieties, which makes them easy to install and easy to relocate if necessary. There's no faffing with liners or complicated shapes, simply dig a hole, prepare the ground, drop it in and you're pretty much done, which makes them perfect for beginners or anyone short on time. One of the main reasons why people love these ponds is because they're perfect for fish and wildlife. Many of these models have built-in planting shelves and varying depths, which makes them a great environment for fish, frogs, newts and pond plants. They're a very simple way to bring a bit of wildlife into your garden and promote biodiversity. Lastly, these ponds will add beauty and calm to any space, so whether it's the gentle sound of water or watching dragonflies skim the surface, they will bring a sense of peace and natural beauty to your garden. If you're interested in a preformed pond or would like some free advice or help, pop into our show site or order online. We sell these in-store and deliver nationwide.